Welcome to our channel Manahil Zoya Fun Club. Friends, today we will learn some food vocabulary. Are you excited? Let's go! But before starting, friends, please subscribe our channel. Burger, steak, sushi, noodles, chicken wings, tacos, pizza, chocolate, nachos, hot dog, French fries, lasagna, croissant, wrap, dumplings, shawarma, muffin, shrimp, cinnamon roll, corn soup, ice cream, nuggets, falafel, tofu, oats, baked potato, yogurt, grilled sandwich, salad, chicken curry, hummus, boiled egg, Alfredo, lamb chops, stuffed bell peppers. Friends, I hope you have learned a lot in this video. So please subscribe our channel. Bye!